Tired of being tied to your desktop just to create a OneNote notebook? You know the feeling. You have a great idea, you want to jot it down, organize it, but the app isn't installed on the machine you're using. Well, here's the good news. You can do this from any browser in under a minute. No downloads, no installations, no hassle. Just you, your browser, and a brand new notebook ready to go. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to go and what to click to set up your first OneNote notebook online. By the time we're done, you'll be able to create and access your notes from any device, anywhere, without ever needing the desktop app again. Let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if you're on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. This works on all of them. Now head over to OneNote.cloud.microsoft. That's the official web version of OneNote. I'll drop that link in the description for you. Once the page loads, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same email and password you use for Outlook, Xbox, or any other Microsoft service. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials here. It might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. All right, now that you're in, take a look at the upper left corner of the page. Do you see that icon with 3 horizontal lines? It might look like a stack of papers or a simple menu icon. That is your Notebook List button. Go ahead and click it. This opens a pane on the left side of your screen that shows all your existing notebooks. If this is your first time using OneNote online, it might be empty, and that's totally fine. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of that pane. You're looking for an option that says either Plus Notebook or Add Notebook. The exact wording can vary just a little depending on updates, but it's always that big button at the bottom. Click that button and a dialog box will pop up. This is where you get to name your creation. Type in whatever you want to call your notebook. Something clear and descriptive works best, like project ideas or meeting notes. Once you've got that name entered, click the blue Create button, and that's it. Just like that, your new notebook is live. You'll see it appear in your list on the left, and you can start adding pages and sections immediately. And here's the really powerful part. Because this is running in your browser, everything saves automatically to your OneDrive. So you can close the tab, open it up on your phone later, or jump onto a different computer, and all your notes will be right there waiting for you. This is exactly the kind of workflow we focus on here at AI Mastery, helping you work smarter, not harder, by leveraging the tools you already have. No complicated setups, no extra software, just a simple, elegant solution that frees you up to focus on what actually matters, your ideas. So go ahead, give it a try. Create that notebook you've been putting off. And if you found this helpful, stick around. There's a lot more where this came from.